We found everything we needed at IKEA, and we visited their little plant section. I got an aloe that has teeth and little red edges. Actually, the teeth are red. So I have never seen one of those before.
So cute.
And I don't really like to buy anything that I already have, so this was very cool. I'm excited about that. I'm hoping it likes me better than my other aloes have liked me. And I got 2 of these because I have 2 ponytail palms. This comes with the saucer. But I have 2 ponytail palms that need a new pot with drainage. And I got 2 of them. And they were a great price, $4.99. Alex treated me to those in my plant.
I got them for her. But why were we here today? Like, what was our mission?
Well, we came to go get some furniture, but as usual, we end up in the plant section.
We needed some furniture, and the whole way through, Mom was like, "Where are the plants?"
I actually panicked and thought this IKEA didn't have them.
But we got new furniture for my room, but we also got this cute little dish garden. What are these? What are these, Mom?
Those are all echeverias, and they did a really beautiful job.
They're beautiful.
It's a nice pairing of plants. So, a dish garden, a new aloe, and 2 pots, and then the furniture we did come to get. So I would say it's a pretty successful trip. Plus, I found a lucky penny in the parking lot on the way back to the car. So what could be better than that? Please stop filming me. I don't want to be filmed. Look at that.
It's pretty.
It's an aloe. Aloes hate me, so I might like. Oh, I forgot what the name of that is. Oh, Calico. I have one. I've been wanting some of these, but maybe I can find a single one.